If you've ever emptied your junk folder in Hotmail only to realize something important was inside, don't panic. Recovering deleted junk emails is easier than you think. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your messages back, even if you think they're gone for good. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and head to the Microsoft Outlook website. This is where Hotmail accounts now live, so everything we need is right here. Once you land on the homepage, click Sign In and enter your email and password to access your inbox. Now that you're logged in, you're just a few clicks away from recovery. Look to the left-hand menu and open the Deleted Items folder. Hotmail automatically moves Remove Junk emails here first, giving you a second chance to rescue anything you didn't mean to delete. At the top of this folder, you'll see an option that says Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Go ahead and click it. This is the hidden area where Outlook stores emails that have been deleted but not permanently erased. It's basically your final safety net. A new window will appear showing all recoverable emails. Scroll through the list and select the ones you want to restore. Make sure they're highlighted before you continue. After choosing your messages, confirm the recovery. Outlook will move everything back to your inbox or whichever folder you prefer. Once you've restored your emails, it's a good idea to organize them or adjust your junk filter settings. This helps prevent important messages from being mislabeled and saves you from having to repeat this process in the future, and that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Hotmail junk emails. With these steps, you can quickly fix accidental deletions and keep your inbox safe and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made your email recovery process a whole lot easier. See you in the next one.